I'll be showing you guys how to delete all saved video on your TikTok. So if you're new on this channel, my name is Charles Chinonso, and right here I talk about ways you can make money online and how-to tutorials. So if this is your first time right here, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if you got value. So for you to delete all saved videos on your TikTok, you need to go to your profile. So once you're on your profile like this, then you get to see where you have your favorite videos or your saved videos. This icon right here, can you see it? So go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, right here you see all your favorite posts, your favorite collections, sound effects, and so on. So just proceed and tap on the post that you want to unsave or you want to delete. So assuming I want to delete this post, I'll just tap on it. Once I tap on this post, so you can see right here, this post has been favorite. It has been saved as favorite. So I just go ahead and tap on the saved button again, and it will get removed from my saved photos. So I just did that, and if you check right here, you will notice that it is no longer on my saved photos. Can you see that? And that is basically how you get to delete a saved photo. See, there's no way to delete everything at once, so save your time and start deleting them one by one now. So just stick with this method, do it little by little, and eventually you are going to delete everything from your saved photos. So I believe you got value. Do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.